Ate, you feel dizzy? You feel dizzy? No? Bravo. No. No. The turtle is fast. Look, look, look. Wow. Cannibal to. No.
You wish.
It's cute.
Two.
Where?
No, I said, what if there's two?
Look, it's hiding. The turtle is hiding.
My goodness.
Go na, go ha. Your hand is dirty. Where are you?
Here.
You are in the park. So, it's dirty. Mila, go play with Alton.
No.
Okay, let's go.
I want to go.
Let's go. Pame, pame. Ate, pame.
I want to stay here. I want to stay here. You go with Ate and we go.
No. Ella, pame, pame, pame. No. Pame, pame.
No.
Let's go.
No. I'm not leaving.
You want to try this one?
I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving.
Okay, the one who will go to Papa first. Let's see. Wait, wait. I did not say get ready, get set, go yet. Wait, wait, I did not say get ready, get set, go. No. Wait. Let's go outside first. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. Ate. Ella, get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. You're ready? Okay.
Oh my God.
Wow!
Πίσω στα δεντράκια για να τρώει. Εκεί. Ναι, στα φανάρια.
Okay, get ready. Get set. Be careful, Be careful. Don't run. Wait. Don't run very fast and stumble. If you stumble, no prize. Okay? Okay, get ready. That's not the way. You sit down. Etsy. Get ready, get set. Go! Okay. Ate, get ready! Ate! Get ready! Get set! Go! Okay, you go back. You go back. Go back. Go. Ella, go back to Papa. Go back to Papa. Bravo, Christine! Run! Run! Bravo! Very good. Good job.
I did that. I'll go back to the park.
Wait, Ella, let's go home. Come. Christine, bye. Let's go take your prize. Because you won. Christine, can you look for purple flowers? Purple flowers. If you find me purple flowers, I will give you surprise. Purple flowers. Purple. 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 That's not purple. That's pink. It's pink. Can you see?
Purple.
It's pink.
Purple. Let me ask Papa.
It's pink. I want the violet. The deep violet.
Papa,
Violet.
is this flower purple? Is this flower purple?
It's pink. It's pink. Ella, ask ate. What color is that? It's pink.
Yellow.
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 Is it pink or
Purple.
purple? Purple.
I want the violet. Violet flower. Violet. Violet. No, not that one. Come here. Let's go look for it. I found the flower before.
So many flowers.
Uh-huh.
Purple.
Purple. That is pink. Pink.
Purple.
No, it's pink. Purple.
Ah! Oh, that's red. Oh, it's purple. It's purple.
Pink. They are pink. They are like your clothes.
Purple. This one's purple.
No, no, no.
Well, where's purple?
Hmm?
It's not purple.
It's spring here in Athens. Yellow. White. I want purple. Brown. Not brown. Purple. Let's go look. There, I found it. Here. You see? I found it.
Oh, purple. No. Where?
There.
Ah, purple
You
flower.
see? I told you there is
Purple.
purple.
So many purple.
You see? I told you.
Baby.
Here, look.
Wow. Oh, that's so big. Hey. This one's blacker.
This one, like this color. But where?
It's a bee.
Hmm?
It's a bee.
There's a bee inside. There,
Bee like flowers, okay?
dark purple.
Dark purple. This is dark. No, this is like purple.
Oh, there's yellow flower.
Yeah, I know this yellow flower.
Yellow.
It's pointy. Oh, spikes.
There's thorn.
I find
Ate, you find?
here's like so many yellows and purples. Oh, I find something.
The dark purple.
Where's the fairy?
Oh, there's pink.
Oh, guys. Where? Red!
Red, ano?
Look, they're the toys.
Huh? That's a toy. Come here. Oh, look. Come here. Come.
I find red flower and purple flower.
Red and purple.
What?
Ah, no, it's not flower.
They're leaves.
Yeah. Horta.
Here's a nice hiding spot.
Yeah. Pame.
Which one's a fly?
Oh!
Blue!
It's a blue flower.
I dropped the red ones, okay.
Nice.
Oh,
Wow.
so many blue flowers.
Bravo, ate. You found yellow
And I find purple
and
blue.
purple. You
I
see?
find purple and
Bravo. Come again. Let's go give to Papa.
blue. Oh,
Papa.
yeah, I find yellow.
You want many? There's yellow over there.
Oh, I find yellow. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Wait.
You want more? More
Oh, I
flower?
find yellow again.
Oh, you see? I told you there are flowers.
I found yellow.
Another yellow. Nice. Let's go give to Papa. Come on.
Oh my God, how many pink flowers?
Come on.
I find.
Bravo. Papa is sleeping.
Papa, we have a gift for you. Ready? Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Charan.
Open your eyes.
Open. Nice. How many flowers? Bravo, ate. Good job. Yay. Ah, white flower. Nice. So let's go swim.